Hi guys, so welcome to this channel Legit Money Update, where we give people updates on how to make money legitimately online. So if you are new to this channel, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button so that you can get more notification on whenever I release my new videos on how to make money online. So like you can see on the screen, this piggyvest, and we'll be teaching you on how to make money using piggyvest. If you're a Nigerian or an outsider, you can use this piggyvest to make money legitimately. So guys, we'll be teaching you on the account creation, how to make money online. So before we continue, comment on the comment section your country, so that whenever I want to release a video, I'll release video according to your country, and I'll also release a video nationwide. So like I said, if you are new to this channel, click on the subscribe button, comment on this video, and like this video, share it to your friends so that they can get more updates and you yourself will be making money, because I'm going to show you bonus tips on how to make this happen. So I think we should go into this video right now. You can see that on the screen that is showing piggyvest, a better way to save and invest your money. You can see the options there. Piggyvest.com is the website we're actually using here. So this is a website for your phone, for your system or your PC, but it also has an Android device, like that's an Android app. So you can go to your Google Play Store or your Apple Store. You can get the one for the Apple Store on the Apple Store. That's the piggyvest for Apple Store on the Apple Store. Then one for the Android version, you can get that on your Play Store. So you can see piggyvest, a better way to save. Piggyvest has about 3 million customers and achieve their financial goals. It helps them to get their financial. So we are going to go into the creation of the account. You can see the system. See your first name, just fill in the blank. So we'll be filling in the first name, just fill in. So if you're enjoying the video, smash that subscribe button, smash the like button, comment, and on your comment put in your country, and I'll release videos according to your country. So we are almost done. So whenever you see the referral, you use this number that was displaying on the screen. The number you can, if you click on the number, you get a bonus tips like the referral number. Just I'll put it on the screen, and also I'll put it at the description box so that I can get the number. So whenever you want to open an account, use the number as a referral, and I'll give you a bonus of 1,000 naira. Wow, I think that's nice for you. Yeah, so just use the referral, put in anything there, but the number should be the number that is displayed on the screen. But for the other ones, like how did you hear about us, put in anything you see there, then you click on create account. Is to load, and I'm sorry, my system is actually slow because of the size of the system. So but it's to soon load. Sorry, this Gmail, I've used it before to open an account, so I'll be changing it to a new one. So I've actually changed it. So let's click on create account. Create, then it's loading. Let's just wait so that to load. Actually loading. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, you can see piggyvest, the amount. I know most of you are using Android devices. Most of you are not using this PC, and I'll be switching over to my phone so that we'll do better. You can see the displaying. It also works on the Apple Store and Google Play Store, so you can download it from any of these stores to start enjoying these bonuses. So I think we should go into this video and make some cool cash. So I'll be going to my Android device to show us on how we can do this. It's quite easy. Yeah, quite easy. So let's go in now. So I'll be clicking on mail. So the date of birth I'll be using, I think that is 2000 and 2000. I'm filling your date of birth. Don't use a fake date of birth because date of birth is in your account creation. That's the date of birth to be using. So 2003. So select an income range. How much do you earn in a year? Think less than 50,000. You can choose any one of your choice. I use the relationship status, single, estimated status, employment status, students. So finish this. Great. So you have actually tell them about yourself. So you can set a security question, set a valid debit card. Then you can say this: refer a friend and earn 1,000 naira bonus. So like I said, in order for you to do this, I think we should go to our account before setting that up. Go to the account, then create a piggy link ID. So we can use you can do that on your own. It's quite easy. Just create a piggy verse, create it from scratch. Just tap on that, and we are done. Then you can add. Then if you want to withdraw funds, I know that's where everybody is just waiting for. I know that's where everybody is just waiting for. So you can see that piggy bounce balance. To withdraw, you have to have withdrawing from this wallet outside the withdrawal. They attract 2.5 breaking fee. So like, let me explain something to you. If you link this your account, then you can put the way you want to be. You want the money fees 100 naira every day, monthly basis. I think that's all. Then you will now tell them, let me just click it, security added value, add a BVN, NIN, this NIN. See, it's not touching. Once you touch on your BVN to show once, as we suspended it for now. So you can use your valid BVN and ATM card. Then you set how much should be earning in a year. That's creating that your money will be sent to your safe lock account. On that your safe lock, you can withdraw the money, and the money will be sent to your direct account by sending the date and the amount you want the money to go, that amount you want to send to the account. So I think that's all for now. Thanks for subscribing. I know you guys will be expecting more videos like this, funny, and you'll be expecting more videos like this. Just stick to it, subscribe to the channel, like this,